Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today was a game changer. So as you can see, my screen is sharing right away. Let's get right into it. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned to this channel for updates in the stock market. I do post videos each and every day. Either is it if it's a short or I'm just going over stock and market recap. So let's get straight into it. Boy, it was a day today. As you can see, let's start off with tomorrow. What is expected tomorrow? So tomorrow we're looking forward to not a lot of reports that's scheduled for this week, not a lot of financial data that's coming out, but on Friday, which is the 28th of June, we're looking for our PCE price, which will be coming out on our Chicago PMI. This can play a significant role in the market up or downward side because the market is looking for this. Who's looking for this? Nothing other than Jerome Powell. When Jerome Powell let us know what's going on, what he's going to do in the stock market, what is expected. But as you can see in my background, you got this. You know why you got this? Because we have prepared ourselves for this. Yesterday, it came to a surprise where market pulled back tremendously, and with that large pullback, guys, I was down at least $3,000. But I was like, still have money to buy the dip, but I said I'm not closing out my position because NVIDIA took a deep dive, and because of that deep dive with NVIDIA, I said, damn, what am I going to do? And I said, I'm going to stay calm, cool, and collective because NVIDIA is a stock that if you sell NVIDIA today, you will regret it a couple of months from now or a couple of hours from yesterday. Because if you had bought the dip yesterday on NVIDIA, guys, I'm telling you, you would be up tremendously right now. If you had put at least $50,000, again, at least $50,000, $10,000 in NVIDIA yesterday, boy, you'd have been up. So previously, NVIDIA push on back, found support right here. Previous support become new support for NVIDIA. So NVIDIA pull on back a lot yesterday. To be precise, let's see, we're trading at $140 a share, and NVIDIA pull on back to 22%, to be precise, at 22%. From last week, NVIDIA have sold off, I think, like 12%, but the stock has just been pulling back tremendously. Look at this, a super fall. Found support yesterday after hours and push up today. And boy, I'm telling you, tomorrow, forget about it. NVIDIA is going to kill it tomorrow. So off the market, we're trading at, so remember, NVIDIA was closed market yesterday at $116 a share, 116. And we left from 116 and we're up now. We're trading after hours $127.28 to be precise. This is crazy, guys. This was a 6% move today, 7.98 points in one day, guys. So with this pullback, with this rebound from NVIDIA, guys, if you had bought yesterday and hold, and I'm definitely I'm sure, I'm not even sure about anything, but I know NVIDIA is going to crush it tomorrow. Why I know NVIDIA is going to crush it tomorrow? Because NVIDIA sold off, find support, and recover immediately. Let's go over to nothing other than NASDAQ. NASDAQ sold off as well, found support again, previous. Again, remember, guys, we got rejected here. We sold off, pushed up, made new highs, consolidate a little bit, then sold off again. Another like 300 points for NASDAQ. And then look what happened. We found support at 19 for NASDAQ future. Push on up, and tomorrow this is going to go to the moon. And I know it because NASDAQ has been on a rally. Is there any bad news coming out tomorrow? No. When are we expecting news? Nothing other than Friday. So from now until Friday, from this day, which is Tuesday, June 25th, until Friday, guys, the market is just going to keep rallying. And I can guarantee you that. Why I can guarantee that? Because that's done it previously and it's doing it again. So look what's going to happen tomorrow. This is our resistance. I'm looking for a resistance in NASDAQ future at 20,000. If therefore we don't get a resistance, look at our RSI. RSI is showing us at we still have room to grow. going upwards. Our MACD is on the oversold side. So once this MACD, look at our green candles position coming up. So tomorrow, don't be at a surprise if we wake up 4 o'clock in the morning or for 9:30 and Nasdaq futures trading above 20,000. It wouldn't come to a surprise to me because the chart indicate all of this. We took a pullback, nothing other than they're expecting a 2% pullback, but it's yet to show itself. As you can see on our RSI, we were oversold and we push on back. Let's go to our 20-day and look at it. 20-day. Oh, that's my 20 days. So look at our 180 days. Look, perfect setup. Bounce and look at this push on back. I know we're on 180-day, our exponential moving average, we're trading above it. And this line, which is our exponential moving average, indicating that, hey, look, we're about to go higher. So again, for tomorrow, if we pass our previous support, guys, we're in for a rally again. Don't count it out. Don't wait for that day that you're going to say, oh, Nasdaq is going to pull back. Wait until the direction is in your favor before, because boy, I've learned a lot from this pullback. And I am grateful that the market tremendously recovered, because in some stocks that I want to be in for long term. Also, I am watching Supermarket Computer. It's a very volatile stock, and it doesn't, to me, this stock doesn't respect anything, because we moved from where did we came all the way to 752, and from 752 to $1,000 within maybe 2 weeks. So that's a 34, up close to 35%, 34.91% pushed up. Of course, we're going to pull back. And with this pullback, guys, as you can see, found support and push on up today. Got rejected, currently trading at after hours, $848. So these are some of the stock that I'm watching, but I am telling you, keep your eye on NVIDIA. Why? There is no news tomorrow. And who's not buying NVIDIA? You let me know. Everyone and their grandmother and grandpa is buying NVIDIA. So that's the reason why I am keeping my 300 shares in NVIDIA, and I'm going to hold that for a while, because I don't see NVIDIA pulling back no time soon. And if they do pull back, I have some money on the side, and I'm going to get more shares on top of my 300 shares, because when this stock starts to rally, I want to be in it. I am fear of missing out. So I don't want to miss out on the NVIDIA rally. And I am watching Tesla. Why I'm watching Tesla? Elon is cooking something in the kitchen. And when this dish is served, I want to make sure I'm at the table receiving my good meal from this company, because this stock is about to take off, but we don't know when. And I am still watching it. I have a close eye on this stock. So if, as they're predicting for the next 6 months, we should get a 2% pullback. Nobody knows if this is correct, but history has proven it. It had happened before. And go watch my previous video. I spoke about it. And if this should happen, we want to be prepared for this, meaning that you don't want to be overspent in any stock. You don't want to have money on the side. So when these opportunity present itself, you cannot get into it. So please remember, stay cautious in the market now. It's a very volatile market. To me, I think this market is definitely overbought, not oversold, because from December we keep making new highs. Like every single day we're making a new highs in Nasdaq just pull back a little as it did before, pull back and make new highs. This pullback, don't be surprised if Friday news is better than expected and this stock market goes to the moon. Don't be surprised, because it happened before, guys, and it can happen again. But please, for now, like and subscribe and let me know if there's anything I can break down for you guys. But until then, stay green in the market and stay positive. So stay tuned.